Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment. So I want to get in here and check some parts up around in this area of this Fujica Z800. So whenever the time comes, in case hopefully not I need the parts, I can go ahead and have it pulled out and labeled to a degree. I'm going to start with a lens here. Moving some screws. The second one's removing nicely. Come on, you. Flip it around. That screw. It's good to check this stuff. Make sure it's readily accessible beforehand in case something happens. So we got any movement here yet? No, not quite. Missing one. I don't think so. Okay. All right. Really don't want to take that rubber cover off. So where's my screwdriver again? Another screw. Go around again. Turn it. Turn this. Pull this part back. Alright, screw. Come on. You're a little tight. Okay. Get that off. Okay. Got that all the way around there. Flip it around again. Check something. Okay. And this stuff is just glued on right here. You have to find the separation in this. Usually they're separated. This rubber grip here. I've got to find out if it's just glued on in one piece or it's got to separated right along in here. That's why these things have lines in them, so you can't tell where the separation is. Alright, so it's going to make no difference. Let me just peel this one off. So this one was glued on in one piece. Okay. Alright, get that out of the way. Looks like the same screwdriver. Yep. Oh, Phillips. Next screw here. Come on, where are you? Here. Remember, wherever you have leatherette, all these rubber grips and stuff like that, there's usually screws hiding under it. Okay. There you go. Here we are. Different shot. Screw here. And get you off to the side. There we go. There you are. There you are. Okay. There. And there. If you ever need these parts, they're readily available. Okay, what is holding you on? Another thing, I'll light on you. You see where this, on this battery check, where it's really green right here, so I get you some light. You see that? If you're ever buying one of these cameras, a Fujica Z800, and you see that, this camera is only going to be for parts, because this means that the batteries were left in there and the inside handle is corroded so bad. See? So it's corroded in the bottom of there. Get you a good shot. See the springs? Everything's just broken off and corroded. Like that in there. Turn it around for you. See there? That's an indication. That'll just let you know right off you want this camera, it's going to be for parts. It just turns completely green if the batteries have just corroded totally inside of there. Alright, what am I missing? There we go. Slide this cover off. There's the inside. If you ever need these parts readily available, this is what you do. Okay. Alright. Okay, so all the parts in the front of it is exposed right here in case you need something. So that's what I've got for myself there. Alright. Turn it around. I've got this motor up here in case I need to get to that. Right there. Okay. Any gears here. And so essentially I am set. Just go ahead and pick up what I want, and I know more importantly beforehand about any type of rust and corrosion, which this seems to be pretty free of that. Okay, anything along in here. Okay, so I'm doing pretty good. So there we have it. The Fujica Single-8 Z800. You can remove this body cover from the front, and there you have it right there to pick out and choose from whatever parts you want to get right there. It's good to go ahead and do it first so you can see if there's any rust, corrosion, anything like that laying in these parts, especially on something like the motor right here. All right, and remember, upon that you intend to do something like this, you want to do it with a scrap camera, you know, not your good one. And upon that you go any further, any mistakes you make upon your camera, your person, a person, are all on you. And it's best always first to send your camera to a service technician for repair. All right, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, later.